Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is a brand new air filter for my wife's 2017 Honda Pilot Elite all-wheel drive. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. I got this out of eBay for like $10 plus tax, so less than $11 with the free shipping. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this up, see if this any good. So it was kind of damaged on this side right here. That's why I see the ring go. Hopefully the filter is not damaged. Looks pretty good. Wow, smells like rubber. So you got the rubber seal around the edges right here. So it was sealed tight. And even on the top, you can see the rubber seal right here. Yeah, so for $10, which is not bad, that's going to be very cheap and flimsy, so actually this is pretty stiff and firm. You know, some of the filter is just cheap and flimsy, so this one's overall is pretty nice. Unfortunately, I didn't win the cabin filter. I was going to show you guys on how to change the cabin filters and then the air filter at the same time. But I'll probably show you within the one video. I'm going to show you guys on how to install this and then the cabin filter, how to remove it. And well, I need to wait for my wife to come home. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys on how to change your cabin filter for your Honda Pilot. This one is the 2017 Elite. All you need to do is just open the glove compartment, okay? And what you need to do is to pinch right here, or let me turn the light. You need to squeeze this in on the top right there, on both sides. This side is kind of hard to see, but just right there. I'm gonna squeeze in like this. Let me do it both hands. Alright, there you go. See, when you squeeze this in, it goes in. So when you squeeze on both sides, it's much easier. It'll come out just right away. And then there's your cabin filter right there. You need to squeeze the clip right there on each side, right and then left. And then just come out. You just need to let it go all the way down like that. So you have enough space just to get the cover out or to pull out the whole thing. And this is what's going to look like on the sideway. Okay. And those are the clips. Be sure to look at the airflow, okay? The top is the outside, and then bottom is the inside. So that's why the top is so dirty. And there's your fan right there. Yeah, so this is very dirty. And then right here you could remove the whole thing. Just put upside down. It's gonna come out. Okay. This is bottom. That's the top. And if you cannot find it right now or purchase one, you can just put it upside down, try to dump it up, hit it, and you can see all those lint is coming out. Yeah, still a lot of dirt in there, or dust. See? And that's how you remove it and change it. I'm gonna put it back in. And this is the original Honda brand. It says made in USA. And just make sure you push straight in. Until you hear the click. On both sides, okay? And for the glove compartment, all you need to do is just push all the way up until you... Alright, as for the hood, you need to pull your latch for the hood. And there's a metal right here. Make sure you pull it up while you try to push up the hood. Okay. And then there is your rod right there. So this is your air filter box right here. Just remove this two of the metal clip. And then there's one on this side right here. Okay. There you go. There's two at the tab on the back right there, which is latch over there on left and right hand side. Okay. The tab will insert left and then right. So when you put it in, make sure the bottom going in first, okay? And then there's a mesh, the MMF sensor right there. I'm gonna take it out and change it. Wow, look at that. So the car is 70 something thousand, 73. Whoa, look at this side. Oh my goodness. So you want to change it every about, I don't know, 40 to 50,000. Maybe, depends on the recommendation on your car. Each manufacturer be different. Maybe 20 to 25. So yeah, make sure your engine runs clean, or it might mess up your either the fuel injector, your O2 sensor, or your catalyst converter. If somehow the mix of the fuel and the oil or the air is not correct, it give you a engine code. All right. So yeah, I'm going to do it with both hands. I don't want to dirty the filter. There you go. Make sure you sit in there nicely. Okay? It's not lopsided. Don't cook it. And we're gonna go in this side in first. Okay, you see the bottom, there's a protruding plastic right there. Yeah, this piece right here, it needs to go into the hole. And then there you go. Make sure there's no gap. The protruding plastic is sitting there properly on both sides. And right there. And make sure you clip all the metal clip until you hear a click by pulling upward. And then there you go. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.